Hello friends, I am Anil Kumar Srivastava. Today I shall discuss about the disqualification of the members of the parliament. Disqualification of the members of the parliament is provided under Article 102 of the Indian Constitution. The Article 102 Clause 1 subsection A reads that a membership of the parliament, it is required that the person should not have any kind of office of profit under central government or state government. And in B, it is also provided that the member of parliament must not be of unsound mind and declared to be of unsound mind by the competent court. And section C, subclause 1 says that the person should not be undischarged, insolvent. And number 4, he should be the citizen of India and he should not have acquired the citizenship of any foreign country. And number 5 is any act made by the parliament. So now discuss one by one. The first one is the office of the prophet. The office of prophet, to check it, there are five kinds of checks that are applied that certain office is office of prophet. If the government provides for the appointment or government appoints that person for the appointment. Second one is if the government has the power to dismiss the person so appointed for that office. And third one is if the government has bounden duty or gives pecuniary remuneration to the person so appointed. And round 4 is that the government should see, or if it is seen that what a person does for the government, that the work of the person is for the government work. And lastly, his work must be controlled by the government. So if these conditions are met, then that office should be treated as office of the prophet. And if a person is holding the office of the prophet, then he cannot be qualified for the membership of the parliament. Either it is of Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha. In a famous case, Jaya Bachchan case, the Supreme Court has held that Jaya Bachchan was removed from the Rajya Sabha membership because simultaneously she was holding the chairperson of the Film Development Council. She went to the Supreme Court and challenged the order. The Supreme Court, while hearing the case, observed and rejected the appeal. Supreme Court observed and told in the decision that if a certain post provides for some kind of remuneration and that the person holding the post is not taking the advantage of that pecuniary benefit or other things. But if it is substantially provided that the certain post or the person holding the certain post will get such type of remuneration and such type of facilities, etc. And if he or she is not taking the advantage of that or those facilities or remuneration provided for the post, so it is immaterial that he or she is not taking the pecuniary advantage or other honorarium, etc. But if it is provided for that post, then it is sufficient. And so the Supreme Court rejected the appeal and found that Jay Bachchan was holding the office of prophet. So now we go further to decide what are the grounds which are declared under People's Representation Act to be for the disqualification. The People's Representation Act says that if a person is has committed the offense in the election or corruption in election. Secondly, if a person in the offense is convicted for more than 2 years or 2 years imprisonment. In the latest case, Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified for his membership when a maximum punishment of 2 years was given by Surat Sessions Court and later by the High Court of Gujarat. But later on, the High Court has stayed the judgment. So Rahul Gandhi again got the post, and his membership has now been renewed. So now next, if a person has not filed his expenses in the election, in the last election which he has fought, and if a person is having some kind of interest in performance of the certain kind of duties, and which duties are the government duties, if he has some kind of interest in supplying the goods or in getting the goods supplied for the government. And the next one is if a person is holding the post of director in which the government share is 25% or more than 25%. And the last one is if a person has been dismissed from the government service, either of state or central, on the ground of corruption. So in these cases, his membership can be taken away, or he can be held to be disqualified for holding the post of Member of Parliament. So thank you. These are the broad details, and in the next episode I will discuss the more things about the disqualification. Thank you.